what the fives are bringing into the world as their gift that no one else can bring to the world as well as they can through living their life is the gift of illumination and clarity.
So I find that sometimes what I really need to do is kind of go back and revisit the meeting and sort of think about, did the message get across?
That need for self-sufficiency, to not rely on anyone else for anything, to be able to look after your own needs.
But in terms of like compartmentalized thoughts, is sometimes I'll be thinking about something that's not related to what's going on currently. So I'll say something to my husband, Eric, and he'll be like, why was that even on your mind?
Never ever is anything processed real time. Everything is processed post.